My name is Ellie, and I'm done! Hooray! All right, get out of here. Who's next?
Bianca.
Who's next? Bianca. Bianca.
Not Rebecca.
No, Bianca. I got it now. You know why? Because I'm a big fan of all my children. And Bianca's Erica's daughter. All right, ready? Go. The name is Bianca. If you do a toss, not too high, because you don't want to hit John's car. Then my name is Bianca, and I'm twirling, because I'm Bianca. And I'm Bianca, and I'm done. All right, who's next?